Okay, now that we're recording for Emma, we're talking about the fundamental theorem of calculus.
What's that, boy?
Part 1. Am I on the TV?
Is this hard? Yeah.
Okay. No. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay, we don't really need part 1. Part 2 basically means that if a function is continuous on a closed interval, right, from a to b, right, and you know the antiderivative, then you basically take the antiderivative, then plug in the numbers and subtract them. We're just looking at it from a to b, including a and b. Okay, and if the capital F of x is an antiderivative, then that means if you're trying to find a definite integral of a function, right, you don't kill my already really questionable laptop.
Sandwiches flies.
Yeah. Okay, Dylan about killed my laptop trying to get a pen. All right, so basically you take the antiderivative and then plug in the numbers, okay? So let's just do it. Okay. All right.
Okay, so you take the antiderivative of this and then plug in the numbers.
Yes.
What numbers?
Yeah, the numbers on the integral. Yes.
From 1 to 2.
But if it was like
All right,
1
yeah.
to 4,
All right.
plug up 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, just watch. Watch. Okay, so let's take the antiderivative of x squared minus 3.
1/3 x cubed.
How on earth?
No, she's right. You add 1 and then divide. Minus 3x. Okay, so now we're going to evaluate that at 2 and 1. So you put that little bar thing and put those numbers.
1/3.
Well, after. Wait, 2.
Is it a bar or is that squiggly thing?
It's a bar.
It's a bar.
You ain't got no bars.
Want to bet? You're right, I don't.
Let's go.
All right, so now we're going to plug in 2 for x. So,
The bar still or no?
no, we're done. So that's what?
8 over 3 minus 6.
Oh, gracious.
Wow, where's the 1/3 coming from?
Shouldn't that be?
How often do you...
Okay, now we're going to plug in
Wait, so you don't
1.
that all the way?
Huh? Well, we will, but I'm just showing you kind of what we're doing.
How often do you make stuff like this up?
What the?
Right, so you plug in 2, right, plug in 1, get those numbers and subtract them, basically.
I just still want to know where the...
Why are they saying 8/6 over 6? They didn't mean to. You should get negative 2/3.
How did you get the 1/3 x?
So you add 1, so you get x cubed, and then divide by the 3.
1 divided by 3. I felt that for real. Go crazy.
I have to wear these dumb ankle socks for track today, and they are really bugging.
You have to wear ankle socks?
Why do you think I didn't wear boots today?
Guys, you have to wear ankle socks while you run?
'Cause, yeah,
That is so sad.
Why?
I don't know. Some people don't wear socks, apparently. Some people just go for it.
The ankle socks would have been enough for me not to.
Okay, whoa.
Why
Guys,
are
hey,
ankle socks that bad?
letter B,
I
next.
never wear ankle socks. That feels weird for me.
Did just no one wear ankle socks in life?
That's like wearing ankle socks in a basketball game.
Look, I have high socks on.
That's so weird to me.
Do you wear ankle socks?
Not, yeah,
See.
that's like what,
But
I don't know.
Like,
But,
to,
like,
I'm old, apparently, so.
like to school with like shoes like that. Like if I
you're
wear
wearing
Converse.
ankle socks.
If I wear like Converse, I'm wearing Converse. But I mean like for like a sporting event. Like in a
Yeah.
basketball game, never in my life would you catch me in ankle socks.
But for like a running.
Like
All right,
I forget my
guys, calculus.
Sorry, that just really bothered me.
They have really distracted me. Did you know
Oh, that happens to me every day.
that? Do you know what they have me thinking about?
Shh, no, and I don't want to know. Okay, so this one becomes 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. And then 3 times 2/3, 2? No.
Isn't it 6/2? It would be 2.
6/3.
Yeah, that's true. You're right.
Okay, Kate told me I was wrong.
No, you said no, and then I said no after you said no.
He just likes to be hateful.
Okay, so there we go. And then now we're plugging in 1 and 4.
Like, I can do this, but I cannot take the antiderivative. I'm not good at that.
Well, you did okay on your quiz.
That was like a whole 2 weeks ago.
Me?
Let's see what 4/3 halves is.
I forgot about under and criminal finance.
Roses are red, violets
I'm
are
sorry. Yep.
I love you.
I didn't like that.
I like when it's even like that. It makes me what? What is it? 16.
So 4/3 halves is 8. I got that by plugging it in my calculator.
That I have today.
Good job.
She's dead, but she's here.
That's crazy.
Would you like me to plug it in? I have a cord up here.
Sure. That's the only way I can.
Because mine died over spring break.
You used it on spring break?
Silly.
Okay, to be fair, I
She is
had a
teacher.
stack of tests to grade, and I knew that I would, like, I was not about to let it hang over. You can have the rest of it. It's like an Italian sub. It's like a garlic aioli or something on it that my father-in-law made.
Now, do you
Okay.
have any candy?
Huh?
Do you have any candy?
Candy? No, I gave it to Caitlin already.
Here, I have one piece left.
Okay. All right, C.
Since birth.
I'm in your hood robbing everything.
All right, what should I do first?
Antiderivative.
No,
Factor.
no.
No.
Foil.
Foil.
Oh, that's what it means.
You didn't say that.
Yeah, cool. I was thinking of putting them into 2 brackets.
Is that how you factor?
I said wrong F word. I'm sorry.
Put that on the board.
Yeah, that does need to go
Put
on
that
the board.
board.
Okay, don't sound weird.
I wrote the wrong F word.
Put what I said.
No, I'm not saying that.
Wrong F word.
Do it to it? Yeah.
Somehow that tastes like a banana.
Okay, I did something wrong because I in my
Probably because it's been in my lunchbox with a banana.
2x and plus 2x in my
It
brain.
tastes like a banana.
Okay, I do not know how to take
They're both minuses.
You add 1,
Okay, yes. So we're gonna add 1.
and then it's 4/3
Yes.
cubed.
Yes.
Okay, it's coming back.
Right, and then that's already a 1, so you add 1. So then that's x squared, and then it's 4/2 or 2, and then that one's just an x.
Why did you put a 2? Why am I stupid? That's why.
Be nice.
Stupid is a mean word.
Yes.
You tell her, Isaac.
Mind your business.
Shh.
Golly gee Whittakers. They're just awfully hateful.
What is? Okay. So then this first one is just 4/3 minus 2 plus 1.
Yes.
And then this one would be negative
Is
4/3.
this not the same thing we were kind of doing?
It is. We're just putting it all together now.
Okay, I was gonna say, because I know how to do this.
I'm confused.
Because negative 1 cubed is negative 1. So that's why it becomes negative. And then negative 1 squared is positive 1, so it's still minus 2 and then minus 1. So,
Wait, do you first just write out all of like the numbers without the x's?
oh, I've plugged in the ones mentally because they're just ones.
Oh, well.
That's 1/3.
Just barely asked.
Ew.
Can't tell me yes, you tell.
All right, Caitlin.
What are we doing here? Is this karaoke night?
Yes, it's always a great night.
It's 1 and negative 1?
Shouldn't it be? Yes.
So it's 14/3?
No.
Yeah.
Did you bring your negative in? Or did you just like chillax
Negative.
and let it
Oh, wait.
I just.
Oh,
Because this gives you negative 13 over 3, and then you have to subtract the negative so it becomes a positive.
Minus 1.
Imagine this was only
Trying to figure out where I got the minus 1 from.
Negative 2 plus 1.
What? Okay.
Let me see if I put
I don't know what it is, but I think my handwriting's really neat.
Good job, Dylan.
I've just been like that since birth.
That's so funny.
13?
Over 3. Common denominators. You can't just add like 4, 2, and 1.
Isn't 14 over 3 like 7?
Like, so this is technically 6 over 3. This is technically 3 over 3. So negative 4 minus 6 minus 3.
You spit bars. That's straight fire.
You just told her she didn't have any bars.
I was proven wrong. It's like Eminem in the 9 Mile or whatever that movie is called.
8 mile?
8 Mile.
I got 2.666.
You know me, Miss Harden. I always like to go the extra mile.
Okay, change it to a fraction. Math, enter.
I still don't think I understand that.
8 over 3.
My girl is love extreme.
So,
I do.
I do not know.
Why'd you not cube that too?
Why would you?
4/3 in parentheses 1 cubed.
Yeah,
It's just 1.
1 cubed is
Yeah,
1
And then minus 2.
times 1 squared. It's just 2.
Yes. Plus 1.
Yeah.
Yes, I did that. And then minus 4/3 in parentheses negative 1 cubed.
Right, so that's how I got a negative 4/3, because negative 1 cubed is negative 1. And then minus 2, because negative 1 squared is positive 1. And then it's a minus 1 at the end.
I put that in and it gave me 8/3.
You put this in?
Essentially, yes.
No.
Yes.
4 over 3 times 1 cubed
Yes.
minus 2 times 1/2 plus 1 minus, I don't know, it's too far over there.
4/3.
I did it separately. I feel like that might be an easier way to do it so you have less parentheses to worry about. Like, I would do this part, and then that part, and then just subtract your 2 numbers.
I still
Put
don't know.
everything in parentheses.
I don't know, something's off.
Can you
I-
look at it?
Yeah.
That's not.
That's kind of crazy. Can we get rid of trade?
Guys, suck it up.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
Hi.
Okay, so the derivative of sine, or I'm sorry, the antiderivative of sine is
Cosine.
almost
Negative
Cosecant.
cosine.
negative cosine. All right, and we're going to 0 and pi. So negative cosine pi plus pi.
Maybe I'll do 1x.
That's what I did in my head, I swear.
Oh my gosh, I got one right.
So cosine at pi is negative 1, so negative cosine of pi is 1.
Where's my
Why'd you put
pi?
plus pi instead of plus 1?
Because it's plus x.
What?
I wrote it down wrong at first and Caitlin corrected me.
Why is it plus? Oh,
Because
yeah.
antiderivative.
Yeah.
So 2 plus pi. So if your calculator is in radians, you can plug that in.
5 point. Wait. Math.
Hey, just, it's not going to give you a fraction with pi. Look. Just keep your pi separate,
I got 5.1.
which is probably 2 plus pi. That
How does
Oh, yeah.
cosine pi equal
We
1?
keep the pi in it.
at pi on the unit circle, right?
Oh,
Well, we
okay.
can just put that in.
I mean, I would rather you give me a pi. Like, that's easy. You can do that.
Keep the pi.
Wait, just pi on each.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm, okay.
Yeah. That's pretty.
All right, ready for E?
Is there an
Whoa.
E? Oh!
Okay.
Isn't it just 1/2 of that?
Okay, so technically it's, all right, hang with me, trust the process, okay?
I trust you. Don't let me down.
So it's this, which then is that. So that's what we're taking the antiderivative of.
Makes sense.
How's it doing like that?
I think I should have this one.
Maybe actually this.
So add 1,
So you just split it up.
yeah. And then divide.
Where did your X go? Is that?
Right there. It went up to become a negative 1/2.
I don't understand it.
Why'd you put a 2 in front?
So, shouldn't it be like
No.
2 to the 1/2?
Square. No, I mean, but it's just 2 to the 1/2. It's just a number. Don't change that if you don't have to.
Why is it 2?
You don't have to do anything with that because it's just a constant number. Just leave it as a square root of 2.
Whenever you like are switching at the top.
I just left it as a square root of 2 because, like, I don't need to do anything with it. So there's no need to change it to a 1/2
Why is it negative?
because it was on the bottom and I moved it up.
Why is that 2 in front of square root?
Because that is me dividing by 1/2. Because you add 1 and get positive 1/2. And dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2.
Oh, that makes more sense.
So then now we have 2 square root of 2. So you can actually make this a little bit easier since you have that just constant part in front. Right, you can just do square root of 8 minus, you can just do it like that. Or you can do it the other way. Actually, let's do it the other way. I don't like that. So 2 square root of 2, so then 8 to the, so then we're multiplying those things together, right? Because to the 1/2 is the same as the square root, right? So remember, we can multiply these together. So what is the square root of 16? 4. So 2 times 4 is 8.
5.2. Oh my.
Or 8 minus 2 square root of 2. We like exact answers, remember?
Why can't you just throw it in mind? 2 stood out square root.
How did you multiply the square root of 2 times the square root of 8?
You just multiply the stuff inside, and 8 times 2 is 16.
Okay, you're cooling off. That don't make sense.
Okay,
Basic square root math.
Does a little bit. I understand.
I think I get it.
Why don't
Yeah.
you have 2's? Oh, you're right, rewriting.
Maybe. Okay, I get it.
All right, ready for F?
Yeah.
Where'd you
I'm
get
ready for this
8?
F I'm about to get.
Where did I get 8? Right here.
4 times 2?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Square root of 16 is 4, then 4 times 2 is 8. I thought you meant like the first 8.
That was tricky.
Okay, hold on.
She's going ham.
Pardon?
Robin Hood, Robin Hood. I'm in your hood, Robin your
Whoa, that was actually kind of lit.
No, it wasn't.
hood. No, that's my favorite quote from Sketch.
All right, we ready for F?
Wait, can I
Passed
try
away.
it? I'm getting
What's
something.
that?
Yeah, go for it.
My iPad is
So here's where you add 1.
Okay, with
So
Did you rewrite it yet?
Just toss it to me and I'll do like a fireman throw it.
Fireman, bro?
Is it raining? Please?
Yeah, but
It's
like,
boring.
It was earlier. Your rain dance worked. It rained during last period.
I hope they cancel quickly.
Poor guy, he is one practice he can't do.
Hey,
What
Miss
is
Slaughterman, we gonna have to start dancing more often because we ain't got practice.
Did they already text you? Good job.
No, shut up.
Ow!
Did that actually just happen as
Yeah,
you were
they
talking about
canceled
it?
It said April the 9th, and that's today.
Okay, I've done something.
If you would have said that for
Today
us,
definitely is April the 9th.
Alright.
It's my anniversary. I actually know what day it is for once.
Hey.
It is.
You're here on your anniversary?
Yeah.
What you saying?
Life goes on.
You was like,
Okay,
before
I've
your
done
party?
something wrong, so I'm just gonna.
I also wasn't here yesterday, so
Do I have to put, you do, so you bring the X through.
yeah. So then now we add the ones. So you get 2/3 x to the 3/2
It makes sense
minus.
You just completely got rid of that x minus 2 on top. Or that x for the x minus 2 on top.
Well, yeah, I brought this up.
Where'd you get X squared?
I didn't.
I mean, X to the 1 half.
Like, where? Here?
The purple, yes.
Okay, so
She brought the X up.
Yes, I understand that logic.
okay, so then you're dividing, right? So 1 minus 1/2 is 1. 2, there's no exponent there, so that's how I bring that one up with it. You're
Yeah.
bringing up the x to the 1/2 to both parts.
I got the
Subtract exponents
negative one. I didn't get the first one.
What?
because it's x to the first
Oh, okay.
over x to the 1/2. So 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. You subtract the exponents
So
when
you
dividing.
automatically assume it has an exponent.
Yes,
That
Oh.
there it is. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Dylan, that sounds sarcastic, and I don't appreciate it.
I'm not sarcastic.
I'm sorry, Dylan. Have you met yourself? Yes, you are.
That,
I'm actually
that
probably
just
the
said
most.
that.
I'm probably the least sarcastic person in this room currently.
That is crazy.
Currently, no way.
Kate's in here,
Kate's not being sarcastic right now, though.
but she's more sarcastic. Than me.
You said currently. That's different.
No, I said I'm currently in this room.
No, that is not what you said.
This is what happened.
This is what happened.
Where did you get a 4?
Because she plugged it
I'm
in.
plugging in a 4.
Why am I?
Nah, you good, dog. We all make mistakes in life.
Still plugging in a 4.
Keep your head up, for real, player.
So 4 to the 3/2, I think is
Question.
8. Yes.
In the
So we
slips.
actually, so we had 2 snakes.
Or the whatever
You're
number
trying to get
inside
inside
or outside.
It's
It's technically
Because
like
one of
for
them would
negative
eat.
and stuff.
Technically, it should be like that.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So the guy at the pet store told her that he would just trade. And they had this one that was like $800. And he probably traded $400 for 6 snakes. And he just traded. He gave him $400. He told him that when this one's full grown, he could sell it for like $6,000. Holy, so really it's an investment.
That's some
A
eggs.
$6,000 snake?
Yeah, it's like albino. Ooh. It's really pretty. I don't like snakes, but I guess if you like snakes, it would be pretty.
Snakes, look at that eggs.
I might start getting a snake farming business.
Please don't.
$6,000 for a snake is crazy.
Yeah, but be nice to the snakes, even though they're gross.
Who said that they
No, we can be nice
had
to
to
the
be bad to
snakes
the
and have-
snakes?
Wait, what?
How do you breed
Babies.
snakes?
I don't know, you just.
Hold on, I did something wrong.
Yeah.
Same way you breed a dog.
Yeah, true.
Aha. Wait, what?
I'm kind of just accepting, like, I'm not mathing right now.
Did I tell y'all I raised 4 rabbits
I raised a
over
rabbit.
Easter weekend?
When I was little, my dog
I'm not kidding.
got
I
two
found
baby rabbits.
Easter bunny.
I found
But the
4.
other one we
I
got,
found
I
4.
let off.
I found 4 baby rabbits and I raised them, but they died.
Then you didn't raise them.
That's tragic. Why'd you take them out of the wild?
Because my dog was eating them.
Oh, okay. Good plans then.
Because once my dog touched them, it was kind of game over for
The
me.
same thing happened to me.
How is that the answer? Why can I not brain?
Oh, well, watch
Okay,
it.
so we're going.
So
I
let's see.
bottle fed mine.
16
But
over.
they still.
Oh yeah, no, okay.
Kept it until it was big,
Minus
but like
8.
every morning they'd wake up and
Minus
take a shower.
2/3
And I remember
minus
how it kept
plus
getting out of its
4.
cage and in the bathtub.
14.
But-
Whoa.
They just didn't live. They wouldn't live. They ate. We fed them.
Wait.
Yeah, that's right.
8 can't go into 3.
Since when was our constants? We didn't put 8 into 7.
I didn't do
How'd
that.
you get the 14 thirds?
16 minus 2,
One side.
16 minus 2/3. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay.
and then -8 and +4.
I still don't like
So you don't have to completely finish each side before you.
Right.
This is 14.
Does this class end at 15 or 25?
35.
35 is it actually?
Yeah.
No, it's 25. She's
I'm
lying.
gonna freak out.
No, you're lying. It's 25.
Smoke color.
That's when this class ends.
How do you
That's
know?
what she says it is.
It's right.
But Miss Lauderman. the
But you'll
schedule
find out
says
when
it's
the bell
20
rings.
It says 25 on the schedule.
Does it?
It does.
Are you sure?
Can you read that? Oh, yeah, I can.
Are you sure? I really think that says 35.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's 35 too.
This one is a 35,
Gaslighting,
right?
You cannot
That's
gas.
at 25.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, because last class
No,
was
it's
35.
definitely 35.
It goes 55, 45, 35, 25, 15.
It is definitely 35.
You need to.
Why do you
get
guys
a
want to be
life.
in here longer?
Hey!
I don't like calculus. If we can talk for the last 10 minutes, then I'll be fine. I mean,
My
it's 6:45.
girl.
I mean, we're at a good stopping point for right now.
Nice room.